Hi, I'm Billy Schaefer, and on this week's Moment with McClaskey, I want to bring up those magical days. Isn't that your favorite thing that always happens when every single thing within your day clicks? It's perfect. Your customers are happy, your guests are happy, your team is happy. Everything feels right. And when you leave at the end of the day, you actually take a moment and pause and go, that was nice. Well, those aren't accidental days. Those days are just a result of consistent perfection of rituals and processes and things that you need to do every single day to get in place and be prepared to receive that beautiful day. It is just a collection of getting things right 100% of the time. When you have everybody doing it 100% of the time, that's when that magic happens. If you live in a land where your team is not executing your processes and products and services at 100%, well, then those days are random and they might just happen. But when you actually get your team to follow these processes 100% of the time, those days, those moments not only become more often, but they become the norm. You want to know how to get your team to follow these processes so you can enjoy those wonderful moments? Check out McClaskey Excellence / AWCR. We'll teach you how to get your team to execute at 100%. So you can go back outside and finish your day with ooh, that was nice. That's your moment with McClaskey. I'll see you next time.